BSc, PhD, MCA, MA English, B.Ed, MS, etc. Formerly lecturer and retired as a principal in a college in Mathura. First is pituitary gland. It contains hypothalamus and axon in infundibulum, herring bodies, pituitary sides, and it contains neurohypophysis, hypothalamus, it contains posterior lobe that contain trophic hormone. It secretes growth hormone. It stimulates growth hormone. Cells is from hypothalamus. Growth hormone is also formed. It is called GnRH. Growth hormone is inhibitory and prolactin hormone is formed. It secretes anterior lobe of the pituitary gland. It secretes production and of inhibitory hormone. FSH hormone is secreted from anterior lobe of pituitary gland, and hormones of anterior lobe is oxytocin, etc. And it also secretes hormone pituitary gland, hypothalamus. Because melanin is also formed from median lobe, it is called stress hormone, and it also secretes calcium. Next is thymus gland. In children it is present, but in adults it diminishes. Next is lactogenic hormone. It control milk formation. And next is stimulating hormone. This hormone stimulates reproduction, etc. And next is luteinizing hormone. It controls milk formation, milk glands, pineal gland. Pineal gland is found between ventricle and cerebral hemisphere. Next gland is thyroid gland. Thyroid gland is very important and it is generally present. It contains two lobes, thyroid follicles. It is located on both sides of trachea. If you see the section of thyroid gland, then we see the thyroid follicles. Thyroid follicles contain cuboidal epithelium, cartilage, and C cells. It contains hormones, thyroid stimulating hormone, melanocyte stimulating hormone. It controls metabolic cells. It is also for secretion. Pineal gland, thyroid gland. Thyroid gland contains thyroglobulin, and hormones are T4 and T3. T4 tetraiodothyronine and T3 is iodothyronine. It controls metabolism. It controls metamorphosis. It controls oxidative metamorphosis, and vitamin A increases. Protein synthesis also increases. In its deficiency, catalysis takes place, hypothyroidism takes place, and iodine shortage takes place. Sometimes iodine shortage causes less development of embryo and less mental development. Next is adrenal gland. It is found on kidney, and it's hormone called 3F hormone. If you see the structure of this gland, then medulla glandulus and zona fasciculata, zona reticulus, and hormone contain adrenaline hormone. It is peristaltic movements control hypothalamus, and sympathetic nervous system. More it control the alarm or stress hormone control. Protein synthesis also takes place, and blood supply becomes low, and peristaltic movement takes place. Urinary bladder control and radial dilatory muscles control. कितने हो गए? बोल लो और अभी एक पेज और बोल लो. अच्छा. Hormones of adrenal medulla. Adrenal or epinephrine is 20%, and if you see that tyrosine hormone, then it contains hydroxyacetyl acid, then it contains carbohydrates, then it contains metabolite, then it contains medulla epinephrine, then dopamine. Significance of medullary hormone: it work, its time work. These works are not controlled in body. These works are involuntary and controlled by autonomic system. Sympathetic system, parasympathetic system control, and paraepinephrine also control. Acetylcholine hormone is also controlled by it. That is called transmitter, and alarm stress hormone is controlled by it, etc. बस.